Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello artists! In this video I will explain how to draw a BMW M4 realistically. We will start by laying down the fundamental structure. Begin with very light pencil strokes to sketch the car's basic outline, focusing on its overall body shape. Pay close attention to the long hood and low, sloping roofline. Using reference photos is key to capturing accurate proportions and perspective, ensuring your drawing starts on a solid foundation. A simple grid method can also be a helpful tool for beginners to achieve precise initial shapes. Next, let's bring out the M4's iconic features. Begin by sketching the distinctive two-part kidney grille, a hallmark of BMW design. Then, carefully outline the angular headlights and the sleek taillights, ensuring they match the car's aggressive stance. Move on to drawing the curved hood, paying attention to its subtle power dome lines. Don't forget to define the low roof, the windows, and the aerodynamic side mirrors, along with the precise door lines and handles. Now, we'll focus on the intricate details that truly make the M4 stand out. Start by drawing the prominent wheel arches, then carefully render the large, sporty wheels. Pay close attention to the intricate spoke patterns and the low-profile tires. Refine the headlights by adding subtle reflections and internal elements to create depth. Detail the unique texture of the front grille and the aggressive lower bumper splitter. Finally, include small but crucial elements like the BMW logo and any visible air vents. For the final touches, we'll add realism through shading and highlights. Apply shading to create depth and volume, always keeping a consistent light source in mind. Use light hatching techniques to build up shadows in the less illuminated areas of the car. Then, add sharp highlights to the panel edges and curves to simulate the car's glossy finish and metallic shine. Refine all your lines and small details, ensuring a clean and polished appearance for a truly realistic, three-dimensional effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.